Thank you for choosing kawaii-esim. In this video, I'll be explaining the roaming settings and APN settings on your Android device. These are the settings you need to do upon arriving at your destination. For settings before you travel, please watch the profile settings video. I'm Madoka-chan, here to guide you through the process. There's one thing you need to confirm, and that's setting up your device once you've arrived at your destination. Let me introduce to you about roaming settings and APN settings before we begin. Roaming settings is to enable data communication using the local carrier's network while staying abroad. The display may vary depending on your device and Android version. APN settings are the initial settings required to use kawaii-esim. Let's start with the roaming settings. Step 1. From the settings on your Android device, tap Mobile Network. Step 2. Tap Internet. Step 3. Tap the purchased eSIM. Step 4. Tap the purchased eSIM again. Step 5. Turn on data roaming. Step 6. Go back and tap SIM. Step 7. Ensure that data roaming is turned off. Nice work! Roaming settings are now complete. Let's proceed with the APN settings. If you cannot connect even after setting up before or after traveling, please configure the settings as follows. Step 1. From the settings on your Android device, tap Mobile Network. Step 2. Tap the purchased eSIM. Step 3. Tap Access Point Names. Step 4. Tap the plus icon. Step 5. Please enter the APN information you received via email into the red frame section. Good job! APN settings are now complete. That concludes the tutorial. Hopefully this video helped you out. Once again, thank you for watching.